Good morning. I'm going to bring you along on a what I eat in a day vlog style video today. It is like 7:20 or 7:30 right now, and I have exercise class at 8 this morning, so I am getting ready for that. The kids are all still sleeping. I'm drinking my, let's see, it's over here. I am drinking my True Endurance pre-workout. I find that really does give me a boost, especially on the morning workouts. I can't drink it too late in the day. I found that it keeps me awake. Like, it legit works. So with our morning workouts, I use it, and I like to drink it hot. It's fine cold, but in the morning, especially this time of year, it's really nice hot, and it's actually super good warm. So I am sipping on that. I'm going to be heading to exercise class, and then having a day at home. I'm going to try to get a little bit of food prep done, and just bring you along on life on the farm. Just finished exercise class. It was a full body workout for sure. A lot of cardio, but then also a lot of weights, and I feel good. I'm not usually hungry right after I work out, but maybe an hour or so after, I start getting pretty hungry. So I'll bring you along when I figure out what I'm going to have for breakfast. Well, I'm so happy to see you too. I'm so very happy to see you. Yeah, I know. You missed me so much. You missed me so much. Oh, easy. Easy. No, no jumping. I know. An old-fashioned race car? Let me see. Hi, Izzy.
Oh, no.
That's an old-fashioned race car?
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty cool. What do you want for breakfast?
Steak.
You want my steak?
Yes.
You're gonna eat my steak for your breakfast? It's a good thing it's a big steak.
Yes.
I can share.
Yes. Yes.
So there is my breakfast. I got a little more than half of that steak, and the steak started out about 2/3 of a pound. And then I have 2 eggs, just cooked in butter, starting the day off right. So I just finished filming this snickerdoodle cookie recipe video with Charity. It's a keto chow recipe, and of course I had to taste some. So I am enjoying my second cookie here. I'm just having 2 for a little bit. Well, it's kind of lunchtime. It's 1 o'clock, but I haven't been hungry because of that steak and eggs. So I guess this counts as my lunch. We'll see. It's 4 p.m. and I'm getting pretty hungry, and I had some chicken breast tenderloins to use up, and so I'm going to bread them. This is how much breading I have left, so I'm going to just bread as many as I can. With what I have, I'm just going to season with the Redmond seasoned salt, which is fantastic. I just refilled my little jar with my big one. So I'm going to get those breaded real quick. I'm just going to do them in the air fryer to keep it simple. And might add something else to the dinner, but maybe not. Maybe chicken strips is all I need. First batch going in the air fryer. I did decide to add a little something. I'm going to make some coleslaw, and I just am doing a pretty basic recipe for coleslaw, and coleslaw is super easy to make keto either by leaving out the sweetener or by replacing it. I'm going to replace it with allulose. So I'm going to whip that up real quick. There's my first batch of chicken strips. I think I probably have enough for 2 more batches, maybe. There is my finished coleslaw. Looks pretty good. And that is dinner. Good morning. Yes, it is the next morning now. I realized I didn't do a ending of the vlog yesterday, so just thought I'd show you my walk this morning. It is absolutely gorgeous. The sunrise, the moon's over there somewhere. Oh, it's up higher. There's the moon, and it's pink and blue, and then blue again and purple. It's amazing. The video doesn't do it justice. But then over this other direction is the mountain, which I will try to show you here. And the fog is over the Christmas tree field. It's so beautiful. Oh, I have to go up a big hill to get up to this point because we kind of live down in a valley. And so it's a hike, and it's, you know, gets my blood pumping. It's a workout, but it's so worth it when the sunrise is like this. Oh my goodness. So thanks for hanging out on this What I Eat in a Day vlog video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll be back again with another video sometime soon. So I'll see you there.